What nobody tells working moms about making money online is that most of the advice that you see online wasn't designed for someone working a full time job, raising kids, managing a household, and trying to squeeze a business into few hours left in the day. And hey, maybe you bought a course after a course, or maybe you watched countless YouTube videos, or you saved hundreds of posts, or even tried different side hustle only to end up feeling even more confused than when you started. And trust me, because I have been there. So today I'm going to share with you three biggest truths I wish someone had told me before I started trying to make money online. These lessons would have saved me months of frustration, and the third one completely changed everything. Yeah, the third truth changed everything. So truth number one, nobody tells you it's not about working harder. I honestly believe the reason I wasn't succeeding was because I wasn't working hard enough. So I started like getting up early, staying up late, working during lunch break, trying to squeeze every spare minute into building something online. But here's what I discovered. Working moms don't have a work ethic problem. They have a time problem. See, the truth is building something online takes consistency, and it's about choosing a business model that fits your actual life and the time you realistically have available. So if you only have 1 or 2 hours a day, that can be enough to start. I mean, can you honestly find an hour a day? I bet you can. And by the way, if you are sitting there thinking, okay, but how do I know which steps to take first? Well, I actually put together a free guide called our Freedom Formula Blueprint, which is a step-by-step roadmap I wish I had when I first started trying to make money online as a working mom. And it breaks down things I wish someone would have explained to me from the beginning, so I didn't have to waste months feeling overwhelmed and unsure of what direction to take. Now, once I found a business model that actually fit my schedule, I thought, okay, everything would finally click. But I was about to make another mistake that kept me stuck for months. And that leads us to truth number two. Nobody tells you that starting over is keeping you stuck. So let me ask you something. How many courses have you bought that you never finished? I know, because I did the exact same thing. Affiliate marketing, drop shipping, print on demand, Amazon, another course, another YouTube guru, another promise. And every time I switched, I started over again and again. And I wasn't failing because online business doesn't work. I was stuck because I kept restarting. And the people who make progress aren't usually trying everything. They're choosing one direction, staying consistent, learning, improving, and building over time. So what if your next breakthrough isn't another course, but simply staying consistent with the path that you've already chosen? So, and if you're someone who learns best by actually seeing how everything fits together, I've also linked a free class below. It walks you through the entire strategy step by step. And honestly, it's the kind of overview I wish I had found before spending money on so many different courses and trying to piece everything together on my own. But even after I stopped chasing every shiny object, there was still one belief holding me back. And this leads us to truth number three. Nobody tells you that you don't need thousands of followers. Like, this one surprised me the most because I thought I needed like 10,000 followers, 50,000 followers, 100,000 followers. But what I actually learned is people don't buy because you're famous. They connect with you because they trust you. Yes, trust you. So when I stopped trying to impress everyone and started focusing on helping one person, everything changed. For me, that meant finding a complete system that didn't require to figure everything out alone. I needed training, I needed digital products and resources, and if I needed automation tools, and I needed a community where I could learn and grow, that's what led me to Legacy. And it's the roadmap that helped me stop jumping from one opportunity to another and finally focus on building something consistently. So if there's one thing I hope you remember from this video, it's this. Making money online isn't about finding the perfect side hustle. It's about finding the one path, sticking with it, and helping real people. As a working mom, you already have what it takes. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need thousands of followers, and you don't need another 100 courses. You just need to start. So if today's video gave you a different perspective on making money online, don't stop here. Start by downloading my free formula blueprint because it will help you organize everything we talked about today into a simple step-by-step plan. And if you'd rather watch someone walk you through exactly how this business works behind the scenes, be sure to check out the free class I've linked below. Both are completely free, and I genuinely hope they save you the months of confusion I went through. And if after watching the class you decide this might be the right fit for you, you'll also find information about the complete system I personally use and why I chose it. I'd also love to hear from you to see which of these 3 truths did you need to hear the most? Or what's your biggest struggle trying to make money online? And if this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.